Welcome to our roundup of the best toolboxes. Essential storage solutions that help organize your tools, parts, and gear, whether you're a weekend DIYer, a professional tradesperson, or someone who simply wants a neater, more efficient workspace. A sturdy, well-designed toolbox not only keeps your tools safe and sorted, but ALS moving into a more traditional toolbox size that's perfect for everyday tools. The Max Bauer 16-inch toolbox delivers solid utility, rugged construction, and convenient portability. This midsize box is designed to hold hand tools like hammers, screwdrivers, wrenches, pliers, tape measures, and smaller power tools without weighing you down. Typically made of heavy-duty plastic or reinforced resin, it resists impact and wear, making it reliable for both shop use and mobile carrying. The built-in carry handle sits comfortably in your hand, and the spacious single compartment lets you customize your internal layout with tool holders or foam inserts if you like. Users appreciate this size because it balances capacity with portability. You can keep this box on a shelf for quick jobs or toss it in the trunk when heading to a friend's place or job site. Saves time and frustration when you're ready to work. We've handpicked the top toolboxes that deliver durability, smart storage features, portability, and ease of use. We'll break down each box's key features like material quality, compartment design, mobility, and capacity, so you can find the perfect fit for your workshop, garage, or job site. Don't forget to check the description box below for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started and find the ideal toolbox for you. Starting things off with a compact and versatile option. The Enian small parts toolboxes are perfect if you need simple storage for nuts, bolts, screws, and other small components. Whether you're organizing a workstation or need quick access to tiny parts for electrical work, craft projects, or mechanical jobs, this toolbox gets the job done without bulk. This design usually features multiple small compartments that are clear or easily labeled, allowing you to see exactly what's inside without rummaging through everything. The compact size makes it easy to place on a shelf, carry to a workbench, or keep in a larger toolbox or vehicle. Users often praise how easy it is to customize the compartments for different sizes of hardware and how durable the plastic feels despite its lightweight nature. While it's not designed for storing large hand tools or power tools, the Enian small parts toolboxes are excellent for fine-tuning organization and keeping small pieces from getting lost. If you want targeted small part storage that fits anywhere, these toolboxes are a practical and affordable choice. Next up is the AIDY Pro Small Parts Storage Tools Box, another strong option focused on compartmentalized organization. AIDY Pro specializes in tool accessories that make workflows easier, and this storage box delivers convenience for people who juggle lots of small components, from nails and screws to washers, connectors, and fittings. What makes this product stand out is its deep and customizable compartment trays that usually snap in and out, letting you redesign the layout based on what you need to store. The sturdy latches keep everything secure when you're carrying the box to a job site or moving around your workshop, and users appreciate how the hinged lids open easily yet stay firmly closed when needed. While it focuses on small part storage rather than large tool storage, its smart feature set and practical design help you keep bits and pieces neatly separated and instantly accessible. Ideal for electricians, plumbers, mechanics, or hobbyists who want hands-on organization. Moving into a more traditional toolbox size that's perfect for everyday tools, the Max Bauer 16-inch toolbox delivers solid utility, rugged construction, and convenient portability. This midsize box is designed to hold hand tools like hammers, screwdrivers, wrenches, pliers, tape measures, and smaller power tools without weighing you down. Typically made of heavy-duty plastic or reinforced resin, it resists impact and wear, making it reliable for both shop use and mobile carrying. The built-in carry handle sits comfortably in your hand, and the spacious single compartment lets you customize your internal layout with tool holders or foam inserts if you like. Users appreciate this size because it balances capacity with portability. You can keep this box on a shelf for quick jobs or toss it in the trunk when heading to a friend's place or job site. While it may not have advanced organizational trays built in, its simplicity and durability make the Max Bauer 16-inch toolbox a dependable and versatile choice for general tool storage. For larger tool collections or professionals who need mobility without sacrificing capacity, the Keter Stack and Roll rolling toolbox brings convenience and expandable storage. Keter is well known for durable storage solutions, and this model combines a large base toolbox with a rolling design and telescopic handle that let you move heavy tools with minimal strain. Ideal for trade jobs, contractors, or DIYers with bigger tool sets. This rolling system typically includes a base toolbox with a spacious interior for larger tools, plus a detachable top box and latch system that lets you stack secondary organizers on top. The heavy-duty wheels glide easily across garage floors, driveways, or job sites, saving your back and arms from lifting heavy loads every time. Users praise how stable the stack-and-roll design feels even when fully loaded, and how easy it is to wheel around compared to traditional portable boxes. While the overall size means it's less compact than smaller boxes, its mobility, combination of storage layers, and rugged build make it a smart choice if you need organized, mobile storage that grows with your tool collection. Finally, topping our list as the #1 toolbox this year is the DeWalt Stack 2 Toolbox, a premium modular system that's perfect for people who want customization, durability, and seamless integration across multiple storage needs. DeWalt's TSDAK series stands out because you aren't just buying a box. You're investing in a stackable ecosystem of storage solutions that connect securely on top of each other. The Stack 2 typically includes a roomy main compartment with strong metal latches, space for hand tools or power tools, and a rugged build that's ready for daily heavy use. What really elevates it is how it links with other TSDAK components. Whether you want drawer organizers, deep tool boxes, specialty compartments, or smaller accessory holders, the stackable design lets you tailor your storage exactly how you want it. This makes it especially ideal for professionals, serious hobbyists, or anyone who values smart modular organization that adapts to changing projects. Users consistently praise the durability. Reinforced corners, robust construction, and secure stacking latches mean the system stays locked together even on move-around jobs. The flexible ecosystem means your tool storage can evolve as your collection grows without buying entirely new boxes each time. While it's more expensive than basic toolboxes, the DeWalt Stack 2 Toolbox pays off for those who want a long-term, customizable solution with professional-grade quality and unmatched modular convenience. When choosing the right toolbox for your needs, consider what you'll store most often: small parts and organizers, hand tools, power tools, or a combo of all three. Think about mobility too. Whether you want a box you lift, a cart you wheel, or a modular system that grows with your collection. And don't forget about durability. Heavy-duty materials and secure latches make all the difference during heavy use. And that wraps up our list of the best toolboxes this year. From the small parts-friendly Any and Small Parts toolboxes, the customizable AIDY Pro Small Parts Storage Tools box, the dependable MaxPower 16-inch toolbox, the mobile Keter Stack and Roll rolling toolbox, to our top pick, the DeWalt Stack 2 Toolbox. There's a perfect storage solution here for every workshop, project, and organizer type. Which toolbox will you pick to keep your gear in order? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest reviews. And be sure to check the description box for current deals so you can grab the perfect toolbox for your needs today. Thanks for watching.